What's up guys, this is Mr. Erdogan, you're watching Music with Mr. Erdogan, and today we're going to be learning our second and third note that we learned while playing the recorder. Let's start by reviewing what we learned in our last video, which is our B note. Let's look over to the right side of the screen. You're going to see that drawing again of the recorder, and that drawing is going to be telling you to hold your thumb and your first finger down to be able to play our B note. So let's go ahead and listen to what that sounds like. And to be able to play our second note, our A note, all we have to do is actually drop our second finger on our left hand. So for our A note, the second note, we hold down our first and second fingers and our thumb. Let's listen to how that sounds. And for our third note, look again to the right side of the screen. So thumb, 1, 2, 3, and you're ready to play your G note, your third note. So far we've learned our B, A, and G. In the next video, we're going to learn a song to play with those three notes. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button below. Go ahead and subscribe for future updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. What's up guys, this is Mr. Erdogan. You're watching my second video and today we're going to learn about, before we begin, let's learn. So if you like this video, go ahead.